Yes, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I also woke up crushed by the thought of people just dropping dead constantly everywhere. So I thought I would do a little festive makeup look. You might be asking yourself, Kat, why? It's a good question. Because, bitch, you're worth it, that's why. Because maybe nobody's gonna be seeing your fucking festive makeup look, but that doesn't mean Santa won't. I've already done a little light foundation with the Kevin Aquan Stripped Nude Skin Tint in Light ST01. Ugh, is that what I look like? I also powdered under my eyes with my trusty Benefit Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation. I like this under the eyes more than a regular concealer because it doesn't crease. Brow gel, this is a Lime Crime one. So the vision I have for this look is snowy magic tinted with plague and destruction. For the snowy magic part, I'm using my fave Rituel de Fille. Ooh, girl. Okay. But I actually want to top it with a powdery shade because I'm going to put eyeliner on over it. And liquid things do not like to stick to like tacky, balmy things. I was finding my powder that I want to use, which is actually a highlighter by Ofra. Yes. And I actually wanted to put in a really cute like gift idea, stocking stuffery idea. This is a little pencil sharpener, like lip pencil or eye pencil, or I guess pencil from Catbird NYC, which is an amazing brand for like beautiful little jewelry bits. Anyway, non-sponsored, so I'm not going to keep talking about how much I love things or brands because I'm not sponsored. But also, like, why though? Okay, so, by the way, I am going to do graphic liquid eyeliner. Okay. That initial eyeliner was dried up, so I used my Pat McGrath Labs. I mean, this eyeliner is the best. My cat is destroying something. It's okay. I don't need material things anymore because what is life? I always like a liquid eyeliner on my face because I have very round, bulbous goldfish eyeballs. I like a little balance this way instead of it all being like, you know? There's really no point to filming this part. You know how to put on mascara, queens. Mascara, no mascara. I mean, it's actually not much of a difference because I have no eyelashes because that one time I tried to do my own extensions, which we won't talk about. It's kind of a fun 60s look. I'm into it. Let's resurrect my cheekbones from their gravy-strewn prison. Ooh, that really did something. Congrats to me. Okay, lip-wise, my plan is the NARS Liquid Lip. Holy shit, I can't see anymore. That's sad. It's in the shade Wild Night. This requires concentration. Oh, yes. The smallest misstep, and you have a mustache and a beard, as I always say. Ah! Oh, no. Who is she? I'm going to add black, just to ruin it. This is called Paint It Black by NARS as well. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's the look, kids. Enchant only yourself this holiday season. You better watch out. You better not cry because it's a pandemic.